So I just got out of the shower, just cleaned up the river gunk from yesterday in the Fox River, but I just got a phone call to go find a cell phone in the Menominee River up by the dam. Time to get dirty again.
All right, down at the Menominee River Dam here, right behind us. Here's Shaun Best. I fell in the water, lost my cell phone, about 6 feet of water here. Oh, hopefully we could save my cell phone, otherwise 3-4 years of lost photos, all my contacts.
Oh man.
Yeah,
So yeah, you said just a couple feet out here.
Yep.
About waist deep.
Yep.
You lost her, huh?
Yep. Which way did you fall? You fell backwards? Yeah. But you're out about this?
I was right where you were at, somewhere right in that spot.
Because there's a lot of cracks in here, so.
Yeah, it's all black. It's all black case, honor box.
If you use it, it'll go down really quick. There's not much air in those. That's cold.
Yeah.
That's cold on the face. Oh.
So how did you get into this? Watching Dollar My D?
Started lure diving and
Oh.
just wanted to get my lures back, but then I started getting everybody else's too. That's it?
Yep. Oh
Nice! Got it, still works!
got the boat! He got the boat!
Oh man, there you go.
Oh my god, thank you so
No problem.
much. That was awesome. That was crazy.
Successful recovery.
There we go.
Got a swim back, still works.
That's awesome. Thank
5
you so
minutes.
much.
No problem. Cool.
That's how it's done.